Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Hello Sobat Hebat Masa Surba. Welcome back to online English lesson for SMP or MTS Grade 8 with me Heru Haryadi. In this occasion, we are going to discuss about announcement. Well, before we start the lesson for today, let's say the dua together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi robba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadikas sholihin. Well, to start the lesson for today, what will you get here? Okay students, did you remember in the last video we have discussed about short message, and for now we are going to discuss about announcement. Yeah, both of them is kinds of short functional text. And the learning objective for today are the first one. After you watch this video, I hope you are able to differentiate the two announcements. And the second one, you are able to find the general information of the announcement. And the last one, you are able to find the specific information of the announcement. Alright students, here I will show you two kinds of announcement. Alright, please attention with this text. The first one and the second one, both of them are announcement. What is announcement actually? Yeah, we will discuss it in the next slide. Well, announcement is a spoken or written statement that informs people about something. And an announcement usually uses an announcement as attention grabbers at the beginning of the text. Yeah, if you remember in the previous slide, I already gave you two kinds of example, two types of announcement. Yeah, in the beginning of that text, their written announcement. Yeah, it's called as title and it used to grab the reader attention. Yeah, this is the important thing about the material of today, that is part of announcement or the structure, the generic structure of announcement. So if you want to write an announcement, yeah, don't forget to write this part. The first one is head. Head here means the title or type of event. And the second one, receiver, to whom the announcement is for. And the third one, body or content. Yeah, it means the body, it is about date, place, program or the event or etc. And the next one is closing. Here the closing you have to write for more information or blah 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 blah. And the last one is writer. It means that someone or an institution who make the announcement. To make it clear, I will give you the example of the announcement in the next slide. Alright, here one example of announcement. Okay, this part is called as head or title announcement. Yeah, the function here to grab the reader attention. Announcement. Yeah, this word is written in the bold letter. The next one, the Students Association will hold a student gathering for students of grade 7 on August 15 at the hall. Please all students come. Yeah, this text is called as body. Yeah, it is the content of this announcement. The next one, for more information, contact Rudy at the Students Association office. Yeah, this part is called as closing. And the last one, Students Association, it's called as the writer. So, who write this text? Yeah, The writer of this text is Students Association. Well, students, let's learn more about announcement. Let's identify together about these two kinds of announcement, announcement A and announcement B. Here, what you have to do is identify the structure of this text. Let's do it together. Yeah, starting from announcement A, I will read this text for you. Attention to all students of SMP Bahagia. The school will hold an English day every Friday. It is a must for you to speak in English during that day in the school area. Contact Mr. Albert for further information. The headmaster of SMP Bahagia. Alright students, let's do analyze for this text. Okay, starting from the first word here, announcement. Did you remember what part of announcement it is? Yeah, it's called as head or title. And the next one, attention to all students of SMP Bahagia. Attention to all students of SMP Bahagia. Yeah, it's called as the receiver. Yeah, the receiver of the announcement itself. And the next part, the school will hold an English day every Friday. It is a must for you to speak in English and blah blah blah. Yeah, up to in the school area. Yeah, it's called as body. Yeah, it's called as body or the main content of the announcement itself. And the next part, contact Mr. Albert for further information. Yeah, contact Mr. Albert for further information. It's called as closing. Yeah, did you remember in the previous slide? For more information, or we can say for further information. Yeah, these two phrases is the same. Yeah, contact Mr. Albert for further information. It's called as closing. And the last part of this announcement, the headmaster of SMP Bahagia. Yeah, it is called as the writer who write this announcement. Alright, the second announcement, announcement B. Attention to each captain of the class in SMP Pintar. Due to our 23rd school anniversary celebration, there will be a meeting to discuss the event. Please come to the OSIS office on Saturday, April 29, 2017 at 9 a.m. Don't be late. OSIS. Yeah, after we read together this announcement, okay, let's do the same like the previous announcement. Let's identify this text. Okay, announcement, it's called as head. Yeah, it's called as head. I will read it for you. Okay, this part is called as head. I'm sorry. Okay, the next part, attention to each captain of the class in SMP Pintar. Okay, this call as the receiver. This call as receiver R. Okay, the next part, due to our 23rd school anniversary celebration, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it's called as the body. Okay, it's called as body. I will write B. Yeah, body. And then the last part, OSIS. OSIS. Yeah, this called as the writer. Okay, this called as the writer. I will write the W. Yeah, writer. Okay, after we identify this text together, I hope you can understand when you want to write the announcement yourself. So you already understand part by part of the announcement. Alright. Next is types of announcement. Written announcement and spoken announcement. What is the difference between these two types of announcement? Okay, the first one, written announcement. For example, English speech contest. For all students of SMP and 1 Sidoarjo, we announce English speech contest. Time, Sunday, 12 April 2012. Place, English Laboratory. Each class should register at least one student with one of these following topics. First, the advantage of learning English. Second, the difficulties of learning English. Third, the effective way of learning English. For further information, visit the committee of this English speech contest in English student room. Well, students, why this text is called as written announcement? Okay, this text is called as written announcement because you always find this kind of text that sometimes we find this text attached in the wall or in the wall magazine, right? Yeah, so when the announcement itself in the form of written form, yeah, it's called as written announcement. The next one, spoken announcement. For example, attention please, Continental Executive Bus will be leaving for Bukit Tinggi through Pekanbaru at 14:40. Would passenger now board the bus? Yeah, spoken announcement, it means that this announcement is speak by the someone. For example, in the bus station, in the train station, in the airport. Yeah, this announcement is spoken directly. There is no written announcement, so you have to hear the announcement. So it's called as spoken announcement. Well, after you learn about the two type of announcement, here tips and trick to write announcement. The first one, straightforward and easy to readers to get information quickly. The second one, keep it short, inviting and to the point. So there is no long sentences. So make it short but clear. The next one, clear and complete. So because this is announcement, don't forget to write the information completely. For example, the date, the time, the place, or etc. And the last one, for a bad news, make a direct and no nonsense statement. Yeah, for example, sometimes we read the funeral announcement. Yeah, it's called as bad news. Let's do a practice together. Well, students, please pay attention to this text. Announcement. Attention to each captain of the classes in SMP Pintar. Due to our 23rd school anniversary celebration, there will be a meeting to discuss the event. Please come to the OSIS office on Saturday, April 29, 2017 at 9 a.m. Don't be late, OSIS. And in the right side here, I'll give you the example of question that usually appear in the exam. Okay, this is only the example of the question, but here in this occasion, I also try to give the answer for you, so you will learn how to answer this kind of question when you find the same question. Yeah, starting from the first one, what is the title of the text? Yeah, when you find the question like this one, what is the title of the text? Yeah, go through to the first word here. So the correct answer is announcement. And then the second one, whom does the text address to? Yeah, it means the receiver. So for the second question here, yeah, please read this first sentence. To its captain. Yeah, so the correct answer is its captain of the class in SMP Pintar. The third question, what does the text tell them about? Yeah, it means the content. What does the text tell them about? So the correct answer is inviting them for a meeting. You see here there is a word meeting. So the important thing of this announcement is inviting the receiver here for a meeting. And then the fourth one, what happened? The correct answer is there will be a school anniversary celebration. So the event of this announcement is about school anniversary celebration. Next, number 5. Where does it happen? Where? It means that the place. So the correct answer is in the OSIS office. Means that because the main important information, the main information here is about the invitation of the invitation of meeting. So the place of this invitation is in the OSIS office. OSIS office. Number 6, what day does it happen? Day, yeah, we can see here Saturday. And number 7, what date it happened? April 29, 2017. Number 8, what time does it happen? Time, this one. So the correct answer is 9 a.m. Who makes the text? It means that the writer. So the writer is OSIS. Write the imperative sentence you can find in the text. Yeah, I hope you still understand, you still memorize what is imperative sentence or kalimat perintah. The imperative sentence in this announcement is which one, students? Yeah, here. Come to the OSIS office on Saturday. Alright. After we practice this kind of question, I hope when you find the same question, you can find the answer yourself. Well, students, now is your turn. Answer the question based on the two announcements in the previous slides. In the previous slide, I already showed you two types of announcement, right? Written and spoken. So, I already provide the question in the Google Classroom. So what you have to do is answer those questions based on the two announcements in the previous slide, written and spoken announcement. Alright, well students, this is the end of the video lesson for today. Yeah, we have learned about announcement, starting from the definition of the announcement, the characteristic of announcement, the structure, and then the types of announcement. We also already learned how to answer some question that usually appears in the exam. Well, I hope you can understand about all the materials that I already delivered to you. And now is your turn. Don't forget to do your assignment in Google Classroom. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to keep studying. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.